Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 3, English, lesson number 8, A Honey Bee Speaks. This is a monologue. A monologue is where one character speaks about his own feelings and expresses it. So this is about a honey bee speaking to us. Lesson number 8, A Honey Bee Speaks. Hmm. What? Me, a lazy bee? You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no, when I am flitting from flower to flower, I am actually very hard at work. And that's why I am called not a lazy bee, but a busy bee. Here, flitting means flying. Come, I'll show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life. So here the honeybee is taking us to her house to show what work the honeybees do. My house is called a honeycomb. It's a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. Each room has 6 equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called a beeswax. Do you know, when I was very young, I used to stay at home, but even then I had to do a lot of work. I had to look after the larvae, the babies that would grow into bees. I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone came near a comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, a sting. I am not a worker, I am also a soldier. Beware, don't trouble me. So see, this honeybee, it has 2 stings. And when anyone comes near the honeycomb, the honeybee uses its weapon and it bites it. Well, to go back to the comb, I had to keep the comb cool by fanning it with my wings. Then I had to keep the house in order, put away all the honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, I had hundreds of other bees working with me. Here you can see so many bees together, they work. We all work together without ever fighting. This is a very good quality of the honeybees, that they all work together but without ever fighting. They never fight with each other. That's one reason why we can build such perfect and beautiful houses. Yes, I helped with the house building too. We keep making the house bigger and bigger to make rooms for the babies and for the food and honey we gather. When I became older, I began to fly out of the comb to gather nectar. I take nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar means the sweet juice in flowers. Pollen means the yellow powdery stuff you see on flowers. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. The nectar from the flower is too thin. The bees turn it into the sweet, thick honey that you like. It's only because you called me a lazy bee that I stopped and explained it all to you. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. Bye. So this is the sound made by the honeybee. And then she is going away after expressing her thoughts to us. Now, based on the monologue you saw and heard, let us answer the following. Why is the bee called a busy bee? Answer is, the bee is called a busy bee because it is hard at work the whole day. Question number 2, what work do young bees do? Answer is, young bees look after the larvae, they feed and protect them. Question number 3, what work do the older bees do? Answer is, the older bees fly out of the comb and gather the nectar and pollen from the flowers. They carry them back to the comb and turn them into sweet, thick honey. Question number 4, what weapons does the bee have? Answer is, the bee has its sting as a weapon. Question number 5, when does the bee use its weapon? The bee uses its weapon when anyone comes near the comb to disturb it. Find the meanings of the following from the lesson. Beeswax. The meaning of beeswax is material for building the comb. Honeycomb. The meaning of honeycomb is a big house made by the bees with thousands of cells. Each cell has 6 equal sides. Nectar, the sweet juice in flowers. Pollen, the yellow powdery stuff we see on flowers. We use the words busy as a bee to describe a person who keeps working all the time. What qualities do you think of when you think of the following? Busy as a bee. Second is brave as a lion. Brave as a lion, hardworking as an ant, cunning as a fox, tricky as a monkey, slow as a tortoise, beautiful, delicate as a butterfly, mild as a cow, strong as a horse. So all these question answers, children, you all are going to copy it down into your notebooks. Okay, thank you.